In this video, I will show you how to hide or unhide conversation or chat in Google Chat without any stress. Let me show you how. Let's say, for instance, this particular chat right here, I want to hide it and unhide it. First thing first, you need to know the name of the contact that you want to hide their chat, or better see if it is an email address, make sure you know their email address. Now, like for instance, I want to hide this Alifa GAR right here. So click on these three dots right here and go ahead and click on hide conversation right here. Go ahead and click on that. And then you can see conversation is hidden until a new message is sent, just like so. Now, if you want to unhide it, how can you find access to it? So you find out that by the time I refresh this page right here, the chat is not going to be appear. Now, how can you regain access to this chat? All you have to do is to come to search chat right here. Just type the name of the user, Alifa, just like so, and then go ahead and select on their chat. Boom, and you have access back to the chat right here. You can continue to chat with them right here. Once you are done, you are good to go. And by the time we come back right here, you can see the chat is being restored. You can as well hide the conversation again. It's that simple. This is how to hide or unhide chat in Google Chat. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.